Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to charge your iPhone without a charger. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone. Could be iPhone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10X or whatever they are calling them nowadays. In this tutorial, we have access to the iPhone 6S. And you may be wondering, how is he going to charge this iPhone without a charger? Is that possible? I have seen so many videos on YouTube itself where we see people trying to use a fork, other sorts of instruments, and then you see a cut in the video. They come back, turn on the phone, and the charge is at 100%. Well, I am really sorry to burst your bubble. There is no way you can charge an iPhone without a charger. You need a charger. If you no longer have access to a charger, you must purchase a new charger. You simply cannot create energy or electricity out of anything. A long time ago, they did find ways to create fire using friction and the power of science. But in this tutorial, you need to have access to a charger in order to charge your iPhone. That is the only way we are going to go from 0 to 100. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.